Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back na naman sa bagong video natin. And for today's video is meron tayong good news. At ito yon, yung bagong Twilight event. Bagong release lang to. As you can see yun, no? Madaming bago ngayon. May Twilight Crate. Pati seed may mga bago din. Tsaka pet. Yan may Mooncut, Celeste Berry Seed. Tsaka yung isa, Mango Moonseed. Magkano kaya ito no, pag tumubo? Pero yung seed pack nandito pa rin. Tsaka yung night egg dyan. So yeah. Yun guys, kitang kita nyo talaga. Napakaswerte natin. That's it for today's video guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. That's it for me. Peace out.